Understanding verification codes, your key to online security. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of our digital lives, verification codes. These little sequences of numbers and letters play a significant role in keeping our online activities safe. Let's unravel the mystery behind these codes and understand how they protect our information. A verification code is a string of characters used to confirm the identity of a person trying to access a service. It's like a digital key that ensures that the person entering the code is indeed who they claim to be. This code is usually sent to your phone or email and is required when you're logging into a secure platform, making online transactions, or performing actions that require confirming your identity. When you attempt to access a secure service, the system generates a unique code and sends it to your registered phone number or email. You then enter this code into the service's interface. This process, known as two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security. It means that even if someone knows your password, they won't be able to access your account without also having access to your phone or email. Verification codes are essential for protecting your personal information. They help to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts, safeguarding your emails, bank details, and other sensitive information. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool in the fight against cyber threats like hacking and identity theft. 1. Keep it secret. Never share your verification code with others. 2. Be prompt. Enter the code as soon as you receive it, as they often expire after a short period. 3. Stay alert. Be wary of phishing scams. Legitimate services will never ask for your verification code via email or phone call. Verification codes are a simple yet effective way to add an extra layer of security to our digital lives. By understanding and using them properly, we can protect our personal information from unauthorized access. Remember, your security is in your hands, and a verification code is a powerful ally in keeping your online presence safe. Thank you for watching, and stay secure.